Away from that, a section of members of parliament is threatening to impeach Health CS Susan Nakhumicha over her handling of the ongoing doctors' strike. The legislators are lamenting silent treatment from the executive over the matter, calling on President William Ruto to intervene in the standoff between the Ministry of Health and the striking doctors. Let's join our reporter Joy Sitati for more.
Kenya is facing a looming health catastrophe as doctors in health facilities continue with their strike for 2 weeks, demanding for better working conditions. Meanwhile, the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers has issued a 7-day strike notice accusing both national and county governments of failing to keep their end of the bargain. The standoff between the government and the medical practitioners has left patients in trouble, with many public hospitals unable to provide essential services. In response, a group of members of parliament has given the Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha a 7-day ultimatum to resolve the crisis or face impeachment.
Secretary for Health, who has proven to be very incompetent, talking in rallies anyhow, talking in funerals, and we want that CS to step aside, and we will bring an impeachment motion against the CS for Health.
HIF right now is refusing to make payments, especially in private hospitals. So we have so many people who have bills that they are unable to pay. And that means they are detained by the doctors or the hospitals.
The MPs castigated CS Nakhumicha for being casual, reckless, incompetent, and overly simplistic in dealing with the matter.
First of all, because the arrogance that you have displayed when you're tackling this issue tells us that you're not convinced that the doctors qualifies and really deserve to be listened to. I was shocked when you said that there are people who are bringing nye. What is nye when our people are dying in hospitals? What is nye Mheshimiwa Nakhumicha when our mothers are delivering on the floor without any assistance of doctors?
They have also criticized the silence from the executive, deeming it deafening, and they want President Ruto to intervene and prioritize the well-being of Kenyans.
We want the government to move with speed and pay these doctors these amounts of money. President Ruto, instead of moving around in this country, should sit down, because what is so important and urgent is the interest of Kenyans. And these Kenyans who are in hospital are dying.
Doctors under the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union have been striking due to delays in the posting of medical interns. Last week, however, Nakhumicha dismissed their demands as unrealistic, retaliating that the ministry's hands are tied on the issue of intern placements, sentiments that have elicited mixed reactions from leaders and stakeholders. Reporting for Tandao News Outlook at 1, I'm Joy Sitati.